Smoking causes cancer. Consumption of alcohol is injurious to health. Be safe, don't drink and drive.
Bukuk Mehli. Bo. Sixth position. Sing by Baksake. Competition round. Grand finale. Sixth position. Bo Paika. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, Mehli on the sixth position. Sing Jota Yapakor, please. Manka sing Tivichi Corlane. Bonnie Logio. Bonnie check. Bonnie check Yaparzangai. Bonnie check by Yaparzangai. 5,000 rupees check. Thank you so much, Mehli, for that wonderful competition put forward in grand finale. Next, fifth position. Are you ready? Paitongo, Nornibuskango. Contestants, are you ready? Fifth position of Paika, Bukuk, Ishita, Tipra. Thank you. So Jota Yapakolen, please. And Bono Yapana Bagay, Beni Sokano Yapana Bagay, Ang Nungina Hanai, MLA Pathanlal Jamatia on the stage. Sing Jota Yapakolen, please. Boni Bagay. Takok Tai Bukuk Song. On the fourth position, Belaike Wansumani Yagulo, Belaike tough competition Yagulo. Fourth position of Sopaka. Tie. Semi-finale wo Khoroktam tie rakha. Khoroktam equal marks be bar phaka. But finale wo Khorok nei. Fourth round of Sopaka. So let me announce the names. Priya Chamata on the stage, please. Next, may I call upon Basrang Debbarma on the stage, please. May I now call upon the Chief Legal Advisor, Dr. Mohan Jamatia on the stage, please. And CEO of TTAADC, CK Jamatia on the stage, please, sir. Borok Ngai, Sini, fourth position of Sopeka. Borok Kanini Bisingo, Soman numbers, Mama Bagay, Borok Tayo Sopeka. Sengjoto Yapakor Lenida Bon Bagay, please. And Takuk Tai Bukuk Song. Tabogang no Nibuskango announced Kana Naidongo. The second runners-up. Second runners-up mane third position of Ninjago. Bonibong nang Tabok no Nibuskango announced Kana Nai. Let me call upon Miss Sushmita Debbarma on the stage, second runners-up. May I now call upon the EM of TTAADC ICA Department, Sushmita Debbarma, on the stage, please. Dai, Bonnie, check amount of rupees 25,000 along with a guitar. Balai ka hambay? Biglayo ito sa inoy thang Pinay. Sini, first runners up. Oh. Bukog Sushmita. Bukog Sushmita nini trophies. Bas kango iya parzaka. Sini EM ICA Department and Sports ni Besinti kay Sushmita Debbarma. Ladies and gentlemen, let us now welcome the first runners-up of tonight's event and a very tough competition. To the winner is Sabo Saidaman. Ready? Sabo. Baksani tik panang imano. Baksani enya panang imano. But sing jota ya pakhor le nei jota chir khong le nei. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Rahel koloi on the stage, please. This is the first runners-up. Rahel koloi on the stage. Bono ya phana bagai ang koi nai. Sini TTAAD sini ngai EM Fishery Rajesh Tipra. Balai ka hambay. Kaisa trophy. Logi wo 50,000 rupees check amount. 50,000 rupees. Boni logi wo kaisa guitar. Ladies and gentlemen, we have our first runners-up. Check amount to rupees 50,000. And nong nibus kango ang tabuk sini final winner. No announce tayo na ito mo. Piyaba, winner nang sikang tubog lak. Puilang nung inahanay sini TTAAD sini CEM Purno Chandra Jamatia stage of Hanabagi, sir, please. And now that final round. The final round is Rupesh Debbarma on the stage, please. The winner of TTAADC presents Tipra Idol Season 1. Guys, a trophy. Guys, a guitar. Logio. Guys, a scooty tie. 1 lakh rupees amount of check and a scooty. Sengjoto ya pakorlan ni Navin Bagay. And this is history from today on. Second edition ni Bagay. Takot ay bohsong. Narjoto ready na tong. Sing Tipra Idol Season 2. Dewey Zain High. Pinay Salo. Sing Tubi Pai Pinay. Takot ay bohsong. Narjoto na hambay. Narok sing may baksa. Tini Palika. Tay sini contestants no narok. Belay ke support like ka. Pwede sing sini finals dong no sing narangai te borni photo session bo sing thailene yang busang pedi sing tabuk sini final photo session thailene takute bohusong tini ni bagai asal nung situn norok tini nui manka sini buskango TTAADC presents Tipra Idol Season 1 takute bohusong norok